Namaskar. You find this question interesting. That's what I know. Hence, only you have opened this video. Now, the diagram shows a cube being cut in half through four corners. How many different ways can you cut a cube in half if you cut through four corners? So, this is an interesting question, but before you have a look at its solution, a detailed and very profound solution, you have to pause this video here. You try this question yourself. Whatever answer you get, you comment that answer in the comment section and then you see the video. That way you can be very, very effective in learning procedure. You have to always try a question and then understand it in detail with the detailed solution. Okay, let's understand or let's dissect this question very effectively. A cube being cut in half through four corners. How many different ways you can cut a cube in half if you want to cut through four corners? Okay, so I want to cut it through four corners. So before we get into the details of the question, let's understand what is cube all about. So now cube has 6 square faces, okay, all of which are identical and congruent. Identical means same, congruent means having same shape, identical means having same size and shape both. These faces are squares, meaning they have four equal sides and four right angles. That means if I talk about this face, this is one face, okay? This is another face. This is third face. One face at bottom, other at left and one at back. So like that they have 6 faces. Now these are right corners for this particular face. And these sides are equal, okay? Similarly, this face is congruent with this face, every face, right? So all the sides are same. We call edges in terms of a 3D figure. So all edges would be same. A cube is 3-dimensional shape with 6 square faces. Let's understand it in a even better way. So this is a cube. Base, lateral face, edge and vertex. These are the 4 vocabulary that one should know. Okay, now this is really interesting figure for all of us, because those who have not ever seen cube in this way, please understand a cube has 6 faces. A cube has 6 faces and 8 vertices. Vertex means these points where edges meet, right? Now, when we talk about the faces of the cube, when we talk about the name of this figure which is given on the screen, the figure of a cube, it is going to be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. They are nothing but the names of the vertices, nomenclature of the vertices. Now when we talk about the faces, so we have A, B, C, D as one face which is at top, and please understand this is a square face. Please understand this is a square face. Then if we talk about E, F, G, H, E, F, G, H, that is the bottom face. Okay, when we talk about A, D, H, E, A, D, H, E, that is the front face. B, C, G, H, that is the back face. Okay, and then lastly, when I talk about D, C, G, H, that is the right face, and A, B, F, E, that is the left face. You get my idea? Is everyone clear with the faces of the cube? And please understand, these faces are nothing but squares, and they are the identical squares. That means all the edges AD, DC, CB, BA, DH, CG, GH, FG, EH, AE, BF, every side of the square and every edge of the cube will be equally sized. Now making cuts on the faces along with its diagonal will be very interesting. Let's take a face, that is top face ABCD. So I can put my knife here and I can cut through AC. So the entire cube shall be cut till downwards on this edge. Or I can take BD and entire cube I can cut through BD. So the knife starts from here and it comes down till here, right? So that way I can make diagonal cuts on each faces, and they are namely ACBD for ABCD, EG, FH for EFGH, AH and DE for ADHE, BC, GF for BGCF, AB, FE for FAF and BE for ABFE, and DC and CH for DCGH. So everything is written on the screen. You can pause the video here and give it a good thought. Now, when we talk about the faces and we count, see ACBD 2 cuts, EG, FH 2 cuts. Likewise, when we count, we get 12 total cuts that we can make. But if you notice, if I cut along AC and my knife comes down, it ends in EG. So when I talk about AC and EG, the effect is same. They exert the same effect. So they have a merged output. If I cut along AC or if I cut along EG, both will be having same effect. Similarly, BD and FH will have same effect. AH and BG will have same effect. DE and CF, AF and DG, BE and CH. All of them shall be having same effect. So there are pair of cuts that give the same output. So in total there are 12 cuts that we are thinking, but actually there are 6 cuts only. So top and bottom face will take together because they have same effect, they have same output. So cut 1 is AC or EG. They both are same because they go in pair. Cut 2 is either BD along with BD or FH. They give same effect. Cut 3 is AH and BG, AH or BG. If I cut along AH, I'll end up to BG. Means they both give same effect, a merged output. Cut 4 DE or CF. Cut 5 AF or BE. And cut 6 DG or CH along cut. So there are in total 6 cut. I hope I am very clear. So the diagram shows a cube being cut into half through corners, and there are 6 different ways that I can cut a cube into half if I have to cut through 4 corners of each face. Thanks a lot. Have a great day ahead. Namaskar.